Hi, my name is Johnny and today we're going to be making a fairly quick and easy recipe. I'm going to make Korean style pork cutlets or dongasu, not to be mistaken for Japanese tonkatsu. Korean dongasu uses much thinner pork. So the first thing we're starting off with is our pork. Here I'm using pork loins that have already been taken off the bone. To prepare the meat, I'm just cutting off any excess fat and skin that might be on the edge of the loin. Then placing between two pieces of plastic wrap, I'm going to flatten the loin out as much as I can using a meat tenderizer. You want it to be as thin as possible while still staying together in one piece. Once the pork has been flattened, the next step is to dredge the pork in flour, mixed eggs and panko breadcrumbs. I'm using 3 separate bowls for my flour, eggs and breadcrumbs. First I'm coating the pork in flour, making sure to get every nook and cranny, flipping the meat a few times and pushing it into the flour to make sure it's covered. Then it's straight into the eggs, which I've mixed together, making sure it's completely soaking in eggs, and lastly the panko breadcrumbs. You really want to press the pork down into the breadcrumbs to make sure they stick. Flip the pork and do the same to the other side. I usually do this 2 or 3 times per piece of pork to make sure it's totally covered. You can dredge and coat all your pork pieces at the same time and stack them ready to fry instead of dredging and frying them one by one. Speaking of frying, all we need to do now is shallow fry the pork in about 1 centimeter of oil. Carefully placing the pork into the oil, let it cook on one side until it becomes firm and fairly rigid. Then flip and cook until golden brown on both sides. Then take it out of the oil and let it drain on a wire rack or some kitchen towel. These turned out super crispy and delicious, and usually dongasu is served with rice and dongasu sauce. However, I didn't have any rice with me when I made these, so I'm just going to smash these to dongasu sauce. Make sure you're subscribed to catch more videos like this here on YouTube, and while you're at it, you can follow me on TikTok and Instagram for more videos and Korean recipes.